What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm gonna try to do this all in one cut, and hopefully you guys are enjoying your Memorial Day weekend. And this is my gem avocado that I got from Maddox Nursery. As you can see, we got some fruit. So check out this. This one is kind of low, which is kind of a bad thing. It's probably gonna hang on the ground. I'm gonna have to figure out if I want to try to keep it or not. But as you know, I got this last year, and right now it's starting to kind of push out some new growth. See if I can zoom in so you can actually see it. So also, here's like a little cluster of fruit right here, a 3-pack. And I've been trying to kind of keep it growing and growing straight up. So I have this little green stake, and it's fruiting. So now let me ask you this. A tree this size, I'm going to see if I can zoom up all the way to the top. Right there, I counted, there's 13 total fruit on here, and it's pushing out new growth. Should I take all of these little fruit, they're not BBs anymore, they're actually the size of I don't know, let me put my thumb there so you can see, about right size of your thumb roughly. So should I just rip them off, allow them to grow, or allow this tree to grow a little bit more? But the more I think about it, the more I'm saying no, I'm just gonna keep it, because we worked hard to kind of get this thing healthy, keep it growing healthy, and also producing fruit, and it's producing fruit. So let's just let Mother Nature kind of do her thing and figure it out. So let me see if I can show you some of the other fruit that's on there. And some of these are a little smaller, like see if I can zoom in. So some of those are pretty small. And pause for 1 second. Let me try to do a top view here so you can see it from the top down. So I fertilized at the beginning of the month. I used that True 10-8, and I believe it really kind of helped out, but I'm not exactly sure because it's probably that time of year when it's starting to push out new growth anyways. But everything's looking pretty healthy. This tree is a little sparse because I was cutting pieces off and sending it to people and trying to help people out, but it's gonna kind of fill in here eventually, so it should be fine. The fact that we got some fruit on here, it's a good thing. So you can see that 13 total. I don't expect all of them to stick, so we'll see as the summer kind of kicks in and the temperatures start to grow or go up. We'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys are staying hydrated. I'm staying hydrated. Of course, I'm drinking Bud Light, which is not typical for me, but you know, it's all good. But we are grilling California Special tri-tip. It's great. So right here, 350, right at the number 1 setting, and you can come back and check out my Great Myrtle back to the barbecue. Also, I think some of you guys wanted to see how the SC Gold was doing. Here it is. The graft took, leafing out. It's doing pretty good. So I need to actually up-pot this. It's a really small pot with not very much soil in there. So I need to up-pot this probably either this evening or tomorrow. Get it into maybe a 5-gallon, and then do my potting mix that I do in there, and then hopefully this thing will start to really take off here. But hopefully you guys are doing good. Enjoy the weekend. Stay hydrated. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to see more avocado goodness. And we'll be talking later. See ya.